What's up, you guys? It's your girl Ryan Samantha. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how I blow dry my hair. I love doing it this way. I use the Revlon One-Step, I believe it's called One-Step blow dryer brush. It just makes your life so much easier if you're a natural hair girl. So as I said in today's video, that's what I'm going to be doing. But before we hop into it, if you guys are new, definitely hit the red subscribe button down below and hit that post notification bell as well so you know when I post new videos. Before I start rambling, let's get this video started, you guys. Okay guys, so I just washed my hair prior to this video. It did dry down a bit with the towel I had on my head. To be honest, I did not go in with major detangling simply because I'm going to be using a blow dryer brush today, and that's going to help get out a lot of the tangles. So for this video, I'm going to be using my Revlon blow dryer brush. I'm just going to be using some leave-in, and this is the Uncle Funky's Daughter Midnight Train, and it's just a regular leave-in. And to protect my hair, I'm using the Chi Iron Guard. So those are the products that I'm going to be using. I'm just going to actually go ahead and get a wide tooth comb, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back, and I also have a wide tooth comb, so you're definitely going to need that. These are really the only things that I use to blow dry my hair. It's been a while since I've actually blow dried my hair, so yeah, this is gonna be new to me. I haven't seen my hair big and voluminous in a while. So yeah, you guys, let's just get everything started. Side note, I am pretty excited because my channel has finally been monetized. If you haven't already noticed, there will be ads in my videos now because your girl is monetized. Yay for me. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my videos and supporting me. It means so much to me. But let's just get into this video. So I'm just gonna take this off. So this is how my hair is looking. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna separate. Yeah, my hair is honest, I'm not even gonna lie, my hair is pretty tangled. But that's okay, we're gonna figure it out and get it situated. So I'm taking this section and I'm just gonna take my leave-in and I'm just going to spray that. And I'm just gonna lightly detangle. Like, I'm not gonna do too much because I'm gonna be going back in with the blow dryer brush. You guys, I'm not gonna lie, like, I feel like I say this every video now at this point, but I really have not been taking care of my hair the way that I need to. So I definitely feel like I need to give it a lot more TLC. And as you can tell, like, my ends are really bad. So after this video, I will be doing I will be showing you guys how to trim your own hair. So if you want to see that video, definitely hit the cards above. I'm not sure if the video will be up by now, but if it's not, once I post it, I will definitely put it in the cards for this video. So next I'm just going to continue twisting up my hair, and then I'm just going to follow the same exact steps for the other side and the rest of the sections, and that's just putting the leave-in all over my hair, detangling, twisting it up, and then getting ready to blow dry. And I know you're probably wondering, if you follow me for a while, you know that I am not a huge fan of spray leave-ins, but because I'm using heat, I really don't want something to weigh down my hair, and that's why I decided not to use a cream leave-in. This one is obviously a spray, as I just said, so it is not as heavy and it will not be weighing down my hair. The way my hair is snapping, like, girl, you need to cut these edges. I mean, you need to cut these ends. Don't wait as long as me, because clearly these need to go like 6 months ago. So again, I'm just going to twist this up because I do not need it right now. So to avoid any heat damage, I'm using the Chi Iron Guard spray, and this is a thermal protection spray. So I'm just spraying this all over my hair, and you don't want to spray too much because I still want my hair to be light and airy after I flat iron it. And I'm gonna time to see how long this actually takes to do one section. This like blow dryer is a life changer, you guys. So let's see how long it takes in 3, 2, 1. And just in case you guys are wondering, I am blow drying on the highest heat setting. So it took 1 minute and 35 seconds roughly for it to straighten this small section. So that's what I'm saying, you guys. It's really quick. Like, this thing works super fast on your hair, and it's such a life changer. You don't have to hold the comb and hold the blow dryer. My ends are like, they're done. So I definitely will be cutting these and letting those go. But let's go ahead and finish off this section. Now that I've done that section, I'm going back in with my Chi thermal spray, spraying that up and going back in with the blow dryer, and then I'm going to continue doing this for the rest of my sections. As much as this was fast, this was a whole job because, as you can see, I do have a lot of hair on my head, and I really just wish that I had a hairdresser doing this because, girl, it was a whole arm days of workout. Like, my hands were tired, I was thirsty, I wanted to give up by this point, and I wasn't even halfway done my head. The one thing I will say about this blow dry brush though is that it is hard to get to your roots, and it does get kind of hot at the top, so you really do have to make sure that you're not holding it close to the actual blow dryer part because it does get pretty hot. But other than that, as I said, it is very easy to work with on natural hair, and it definitely gets your hair pretty straight. So for those of you asking for a length check, this is what my hair is looking like. I didn't get it pretty flat, but for the most part it is about bra strap length. So like I was saying earlier, it is a bit tricky to get to your roots, so sometimes what I do is I hold my hair taut and then I just focus the brush on my roots, and then I start brushing through, and as you can see, that just helps to focus the heat on that part without having to manipulate it over and over again to get it straightened. So can we just talk about the shrinkage? This is my hair. Not even like fully blown out like all the way, and what's happening over here? Like, my shrinkage is so rude. This is crazy. I can't even lie, it's the faces for me. Like, at this point I was so over it. I can't, like, look at my faces, you guys. I did have to, so I already finished my hair, but I ended up going over it just because I got lazy, and at the roots it was still pretty like my natural hair texture. So as you can see right here, I'm just going over some of the parts that I already did, and yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. So this is how my hair is looking, you guys. It is big and it is large and in charge. I still have absolutely no idea what I'm going to do to my hair, but I definitely need to get this trimmed up. But you guys, thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please comment down below and let your girl know what I should do to my hair, because like I don't know. I don't know if I should silk press. I don't know if I should do a flexi rod set. I don't know if I should do a twist out. I do not know. So I would love your help, but for now I'm going to sign off and say toodles. Bye guys.